it's me, Kim Irish, and welcome to my channel. So for today guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang skincare routine ko. So without further ado guys, let's get started! So, first of all, nilalagay ko muna itong para sa hair, para maitabo yung mga baby hair natin. And next, I am using a cleansing wipes. I'm using this to remove some air pollution and to remove para maalis yung mga makeups and yung dirt na nakukuha natin galing sa environment. Syempre yun, para hindi na masyadong mahirapan sa paghugas ng mukha. After that, I'm using this one, a Saletec, a facial wash to wash my face. Gently pat your face with a clean towel and clean and soft towel. After cleaning my face and pagkatapos kong punasan yung mukha ko ng malinis na panyo or cloth, I use this one. I'm using a IY Korea Pore Purifying Balm and IY Whitening Pack Peel-Off Mask to remove my blackheads. Actually, I only use this once a week because yan, to remove my blackheads lang naman and whiteheads. So, yan. Yan, this one. Hana Dul So, ayan guys. Ayan, as you can see, nailagay na natin yung peel-off mask and purifying balm. And next, yan, tignan na siya. Yan, tignan na siya. Medyo nagtatanggalan na nga. So, ayan, ngayon, tatanggalin na natin siya. So next, after tanggalin yon, maghuhugas lang ako ng malamig na tubig para mag-loose yung pores. Then I'll be right back. So ayan, after washing my face with a cold water, yun naman, isusunod naman natin tong Saletec Dermoscience Plus Hydration Alcohol-Free Toner. Yan. Yan, so ito, kakabili lang siya kasi ubos na yung isa ko. Yung maliit na binili pa na. So, yan, di pa malaki siya. Yan. So, next, I'm using a cotton. Ay. Ang dami. Ulit natin. A toner, I'm using a Saletec Facial Moisturizer. So, ayan, maliit lang siya. pa ako nakakabili ng bago. Ay. So, ayan. After using a moisturizer, yun na, tapos na. Yun na yung pinaka-skincare routine ko. So, yan. As you can notice, guys, I usually use a Celotex. Kasi, as a 14 years old student and a person, mild lang sa akin, para sa akin yung Celotex. Hindi siya sobrang harsh. Yun. Yun lang yung... So, yan. Kung beginner ka and bago ko pa lang at you're at in a younger age, pwedeng, I recommend na Celotex yung gamitin kasi, hindi siya, yun nga, katulad na sabi ko kanina, mild lang siya. So, yan. Disclaimer, this video is not, is not sponsored. So, yan. Yun na guys, ang aking skincare routine. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you want to get notified for my other and next video, just click on the ring bell button after clicking the subscribe button. And also follow me on my Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok and Instagram account. Thank you guys. Bye!